Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this cool Buddha temple right here in the middle of Bangkok. The name is on the screen now, guys, because I can't pronounce it at all, and I wouldn't like to disrespect anybody by making an attempt and completely getting it wrong. But it's beautiful. So beautiful. Hello. What do you think of that? Guys, Bangkok's been amazing. What we're going to do today is we're just right in the heart of Bangkok, and we're going to walk up probably one of the more famous roads here in Bangkok, Khao San Road. I did walk down it just to sort of get my bearings, find out where I was, because it has been years since I've been down there, and it is sort of quiet. But yeah, look at, we'll walk up there, we'll take in the local vibes, and see what the whole buzz about Khao San Road is. Alright, let's go. Tuk-tuks are beautiful, aren't they? Tom Yum Kum. Jojo. Looks pretty popular. Lots of street food vendors. So this hotel here, D&D Inn, personally brings back a lot of memories. I stayed there many years ago with a few friends, and we partied on this street for a few nights, and I have to say it's probably one of the best memories, best times I've had. It was my first time in Thailand, and yeah, on saying that, it was a serious eye-opener, and yeah, a big party. I'm nearly sure it was one of those rooms there with the little balconies. Sawadee-ka. It's completely different now than what it was all those years ago. But we're in Bangkok for a few days, so what I'll do is I'll try my best to get down here during the night and just see how busy it is. I'll be interested in myself.
मेरा ये नहीं है कि हमको काम करना ही पड़ेगा।
Khao San Palace Hotel. Lots of clothing.
If you want. Buddy beer. A lot of tables, a lot of seats. Walking street. Yeah. About 40,000. Yeah, what we'll do, guys, is we'll compare it. I'll come back down here during the night and we'll compare it to daytime, right?
Even Ronald McDonald loves the Khao San Road. Mulligan's Irish Bar. Roco Bar, 1976. I'd say that sign is as old as 1976. Nearly 50 years old. I'd say that's all original. Well, what do you think of that? Khao San Road during the day here in Bangkok. Alright guys, that's about it for me. What do you reckon of that? Khao San Road here in Bangkok, Thailand. Yeah, it's very warm. It's about 35 degrees. So I'm going back to Mulligan's to get myself a nice cold beer. Yeah, as I said, I will try and get down here at night, and I'll make that just a separate video. But yeah, until next time guys, slán leat, and catch you later. Peace.